going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ariana, and today I'm back with another video. So as you guys can see from my last video, I blowed out my hair and I slept in it. This is the next day I slept in my blowout. Yeah. So I decided I'm gonna do a protective style today. I'm gonna give me a little hairstyle because I'm waiting. I trimmed my hair. I feel like I need to trim more, but I'll leave that up to a professional. I ain't trying to butcher my hair. So yeah, I was thinking about doing mini twists, but the way my laziness and how impatient I am works out, like I don't feel like that's gonna work out for me. So I'm gonna do a twist out, but I'm gonna do the twist as small as possible, as small as I possibly can. So I'm not gonna necessarily call them mini twists. I'm gonna call them shmini twists. Small/mini twist, you know. The products I'm gonna be using, because I want to kind of like retain some of my length, so I'm gonna try to use products that don't have that much water in it. And the only product that I could really find in my stash, the only cream I could really find in my stash that didn't have a lot of water and that was thick and that's elongating, was the Melanin style cream. So I'm gonna be using some of this, and then also I'm gonna be using the Just For Me Curl Piece Braiding and Twisting Grip Glaze. I use this on my son all the time when I do his braids and twists, and it works pretty good, and it's affordable, it's cheap. You can get it at Target, you can get it at your local beauty supply store. I really like this stuff, and basically it has a consistency of an edge control, and it does really hold your braids and twists down. I'm not going with like a gel or anything, because gel, it has a lot of water in it, and I feel like it's gonna start making my hair revert. So I'm gonna start from the back. And I'm going to put a scrunchie at the front, so let me see if I can part my hair off at the back. So this is how much hair I took out in the back. It ain't going to be even, so yeah. But this is what I have out in the back, and I'm going to start off with this first. Hopefully I don't get lazy and I start doing them big. I'm trying to do them as small as I possibly can. And I ain't never do no mini twist or nothing on my hair, y'all. Like, I do regular size twists because I don't like to be sitting down for 48 hours doing twists. I get lazy, I twist slow, so I think I'm gonna do them this small. I think that's small enough. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the Melanin hair cream, and you could probably just only use this, but I do want some more hold. And I live in South Florida, it's humid here, y'all. Super humid. And the main purpose of this is to keep as much length, so yeah. I'm gonna just detangle this a little bit. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the grip glaze, like that, like maybe even less than that. Cause like I said, y'all, don't put too much, it can get a little sticky, a little tacky. So I'm gonna take a little bit like that. Put it more toward my, let's put some toward my ends. Put a little bit of Melanin toward my ends. And then I'm gonna start twisting. Sorry guys, I have to go in with a little bit more Melanin. Detangle. And then I'm gonna start twisting. And I'm gonna do them kind of tight. So, yeah, can you guys see that? This is how tight I'm doing it. And of course you can continuously keep adding product. Like I'll probably keep adding more Melanin if I feel like my hair is drying out, or if I feel like I need more toward the ends. So you definitely want to do that. And this is actually really kind of small. Yeah. More Melanin. So this is what we have right here. Of course it is going to swell up. Hair out the way. Okay, so I'm gonna take a piece like this big, and then we're gonna put some Melanin on it. And the reason why I'm also using Melanin is because it's very moisturizing for me. So I don't want my hair to be dry. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the grip glaze. Take a little bit of that, put it on my ends. And I'm gonna do them tight. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more product and put it at the bottom. And then you just want to make sure you get the ends so they can curl up. So yeah, these are the first two. This is what they're looking like. So I'm gonna do a few more. And then I'm gonna take about this much hair. Make sure you get your roots, you guys, so your roots can look nice and flattened. And we're gonna take a little bit more of the grip glaze from the Just For Me. And then we're gonna just twist tightly. So a little bit of our Melanin curl cream. And then a little bit of the grip glaze. Make sure you get your roots. Yeah, you definitely gonna need a moisturizing cream for this, because the way that after your hair feels when it's blow dried, it feels like really dry. I don't like that feeling personally, so I always make sure I go in with the buttercream or something that's like very moisturizing, so your hair doesn't feel dry as heck. Alright, so now we're gonna start twisting, and we're gonna twist tight. Basically gonna be doing the same thing over and over, you guys. Like, it's probably gonna take me a while. More than a while. Halfway done at this point, so I'm at the halfway mark. It took me like a little bit over an hour to do this in the back, but I'm gonna give you guys like quick 360 on how it's looking. So this is what they're looking like, and like I said before, they're not mini, they like shmini, which is like small and not too small, not too mini. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish off the front. I might try to do them a little bit smaller in the front, but yeah, this is what they're looking like so far. On my freaking last one. Ugh, I feel like I got a carpal tunnel. My fingers hurt. So I'm just gonna do this last and final twist. Finally, thank you Jesus, because your girl is tired. I'm loving tired right now. I am tired. Alright guys, I am freaking done finally, and this is what my mini twist is looking like. It took me about a good 3 hours and some change to do all this, and in the front I went ahead and I made them way smaller than they look in the back. So I am going to be doing my edges probably tomorrow because I'm tired, y'all. Like, this took forever, but I think they look actually really good. They're kind of elongated. I feel like it did shrink up because I did add the curly cream into it, the Melanin curly cream, and so it did shrink up a little bit, but it's still elongated. Like, my regular twist outs are always above my shoulders and this is below my shoulders. So yeah, I really like them. They feel soft, they feel moisturized. I think they look pretty good. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360. I think they're cute. They're cute, sis. They're real cute. But yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do is actually, because I don't really like how the ends look, so I'm gonna spray some water. All right guys, it is the next day. So I actually did put my hair up. I put a scarf and a bonnet on to protect my twists so that they don't get frizzy and messed up. And of course my camera would die last night when I was showing you guys how to curl the ends. So I just decided to go to sleep because I was tired. So this is how they look today. And I'm gonna take a spray bottle and then I'm just gonna spray the ends. And they feel really moisturized, you guys. Like, this is basically all that I'm gonna do. Just spray the ends a little bit and then just swirl them around. Just so they can curl up better. So I'm gonna do that to all my ends. Alright guys, so I just laid my edges down a little bit with a little bit of this Factor Edge Booster Hold Pomade. It's a small one that you've probably seen everywhere. So I just use that to put my edges down a little bit and to stain my sideburns. I also use that with my edges brush, which looks like this. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna actually style this and wear it different ways. And I do have these clips from Cantu that I'm gonna put in my hair as well. I'll probably come back and show you guys in the clip. Alright guys, so I decided to go ahead and throw on some makeup because I'm tired of looking homeless. And also added a little of these little gold lock jewelries to my hair because I feel like they're super cute and they look super cute on the hairstyle. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360. Of how my hair is looking. I love them. I am probably gonna end up doing a few styles with my mini twist. So if I do, I'll either post a description down, a link below. If I do go ahead and do that, or I'll post it somewhere around here. But other than that, you guys, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my next video. Bye guys.